Hi guys, welcome to Fitness Shortcuts. Follow these steps I'm about to tell you and I guarantee you will see absolutely drastic strength results within weeks. Okay, so I want you to start with all of your big lifts, your bench press, squats, deadlifts. I will give you an example on the bench press to show how to gain up to 30% strength increase on your 1 rep max in as little as 3 weeks. A massive part of strength training to increase your gains quickly is by overloading the weight to absolute maximum and by following through a structured program. So we'll begin with a familiar goal to gain strength on the bench press, targeting the chest and the pectoral muscles. Let's face it, we all want to be strong on here. It's nice to know you can dominate the bench. What I want you to do, stick into 5 sets of 3 reps. This may not sound too dissimilar to what your strength cycle normally consists of. But after warming up, when you're ready for your first working set, I want you to get your 1 rep max on the bar, plus 10% of the weight. So say you can lift 100 kilograms, you add 10%, which is 10 kg, meaning a total of 110 kilograms on the bar. And do 3 negative reps with this weight. I want you to control the reps on the eccentric phase, the downward phase of the movement, for 3 seconds until the bar touches your chest. Pause the movement for half a second, holding the bar at your chest. Then use your spotter to help you out to the maximum, to lift the bar upwards on the concentric, the effort phase of the workout. If you are on your own, ask someone around you or a member of staff to help you out. Most people are decent and will help you. Don't keep it to yourself. By getting on and creating a positive environment in gyms is what it's all about. By doing this fitness shortcut method, what you will do is switch on your fast twitch muscle fibers to the maximum, getting you used to the heavier weights. Plus, of course, overloading the muscle, getting you to the peak point of fatigue. Now you're ready for your 5 sets of pure destruction. You're going to smash it. By adding this part of the workout is how we're going to massively increase your strength. So here is a twist. I want you to grab a pair of dumbbells 25% less to what you would usually press for 5 reps on the dumbbell bench press. So if you're pressing 40 kg, I want you to grab the 30s. Between each set of your barbell negative reps on your bench press, you need to add in sets of dumbbell pec flies for 3 reps. The flies are an isolation of the pec muscle. Make sure you're controlling the reps nicely, so after your bench press, go straight into your 3 rep max on the flies. I am happy if you're using a spotter to be failing on the 3rd rep. That's absolutely fine. Then repeat both for 5 sets, following the 3 reps on each lift, maintaining a 5-minute rest after completing both exercises back to back, with the bench press followed by the flies. This technique is sometimes known as post-exhaust training. What this is doing is greater fatiguing your pec, firing and recruiting more and more fast twitch muscle fibers. On the bench press, you will naturally fatigue your triceps before your chest, meaning you're not exercising the chest as close to failure as possible, only fatiguing your chest to the point where your triceps are at failure. By doing the isolation exercise, the pec flies is how we get closer to the absolute maximum level of fatigue on your targeted muscle as possible. In this case, the chest, yet not affecting your heaviest lifts. Again, to note with the rest periods, I want you to keep the rest equal on each set each time you train. Therefore, you have enough rest to lift your maximum. 3 to 5 minutes is acceptable. However, for the best results, go up to 5 minutes between sets, so you are recovered, focused and ready to smash out another set. Repeat this always for the 5 sets. The next exercise is focusing on the other muscles used in the movement, which is the triceps. Although the triceps will have taken a loss of punishment already, I want you to focus on overloading them again with excess weight, but this time over a shorter movement. This will add additional strength to the end part of the movement, in this case the bench press. I want you to use the Smith machine doing a close grip chest press with your hands 5 to 6 inches apart. Again, we are only going to do 3 reps of 5 sets with up to 5 minutes rest, but if each rep I want you to only do 3/4 to even half the range of motion. This will really target your tries without putting as much emphasis on the chest. Bring the bar 3 to 4 inches from your chest rather than touching. You'll really feel it fully engage. Then at the top of the movement, really feel it at the peak point of the tricep. For each of these, make sure you're working to failure, your 3 rep max. This should be around 80 to 90% of your full bench press, which you will have already fatigued, but remember, it isn't the full range of movement. Make sure you do this routine every 4 to 5 days. You must allow your body to heal. There is no point damaging already damaged muscle fibers. Unless you feel fresh, then by all means, carry on. This method is what professional weightlifters and athletes use. They study certain key parts of the movement, breaking them down, then focus on part of the movement with the muscles used and what you can improve on. So this is exactly what we're doing here. For example, deadlifts and rep pulls go great in increasing strength, plus squats and gluteal bridges if you want to increase gluteal power. These having a shorter movement on the second exercise, which focuses on targeting a specific part of the muscle, which in turn will increase your strength on the original lift. You can of course take this method into any form of movement and improve your strength dramatically. I will draw up a list from a website for the main exercises you'll be looking to target with the best adaptation to increase your strength specifically. I would advise to focus on only 1 to 2 exercises you really want to push your strength through the roof on. This will get the most peak results on the desired exercise rather than slight improvements. Although you will improve all round. Like I said, you will see ridiculous results within 3 weeks. But ideally, you want to keep this training until you hit a plateau with no more results. Usually within 4 to 6 weeks. 6 weeks of gains, how amazing. By changing each of your workouts over a 4 to 6 week program, will increase your strength significantly across the whole body, becoming a fast twitch fibre, powerful machine. So there you have it, another great fitness shortcut method for you to try straight away. Let me know how you get on, as I'm looking forward to hearing of your results. Don't forget, as always, make sure you're fueled through the occasion. Consuming over 3,000 calories a day is a must for increasing your strength. Always consuming at least 800 plus calorie meal 2 to 3 hours before your training, plus a snack 30 minutes to an hour prior and after training. In addition, make sure you're eating 100 grams of protein throughout the day, especially getting an intake before bedtime, as we grow and rejuvenate our bodies at the quickest rate as we sleep. Thanks a lot for watching. I can't wait to hear how your strength rockets through the roof. So please drop a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share with any of your friends which you want to increase your strength with. Take care guys, let's get super strong, super quick. See you again soon.